how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome so you can quickly access your favorite websites. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step process. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. On Chrome's new tab page, you will see a grid of shortcuts under the search bar. Click the Add Shortcut button. It looks like a plus icon. In the pop-up, type a name for your shortcut and paste the website link you want to save. Now click Done and your shortcut will appear right on the new tab page. Now you can just click the shortcut to instantly open your favorite site. And that's it. You have added a shortcut in Google Chrome. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tips. Thanks for watching.